Here at Yeoman's, you'll see all different varieties of plants that you won't see at your normal box store. You'll see fruit trees, different varieties of herbs, vegetables. You'll see even some spices in here and flowers that are for the different seasons throughout the year.
So let's jump right into it. So what I see here is some of the plants that we see popping up around town. What kind of plants are you using that if we're going around town, we're gonna say, oh yeah, Kevin talked about that.
Pollinator plants. They have a great selection of pollinators here. They got pentas. I see some salvia over there, Salvia farinaceae. I see Gara. Gara is a really, really neat looking plant. The cool thing about this place is you're gonna get something very unique. It's something you won't see anywhere else to purchase here at Yeoman's.
And inside there's all kinds of seed and farm stuff, which, you know, I try to be a farm boy, so I need that as well.
Well, and you also have to remember that if you don't specifically see what you want, all you have to do is tell John and he'll special order it, and he'll order it in any quantity. I've had that on a couple of occasions with Yeoman's.
In terms of taking care of plants and making them grow and not killing them, what's the biggest thing you've learned?
Lack of water or too much water is the number one thing that we all do at our homes.
I do too much because I love them too much. And then they start to yellow.
I do too little.
That tends to be the number one thing with most people in gardening.
It's kind of fun to come to a mom and pop operation because you know the people. It's an opportunity to talk with people and kind of catch up, as well as get plants or bushes or anything you need here. So it's a fun place, and a lot of people apparently are just finding out about it. Good for them. For the people who have known about it, you know what a treasure it is.
That's right. And I just want to impress upon everybody, please shop downtown and come to Yeoman's.
Shop small business.
Shop small business, exactly.
And do it now.